Hey there, future financial superheroes. Here's a super secret. It's not magic, and it's not just about earning more. Many people miss out on this one simple, yet incredibly powerful truth. The best time to start growing your money is right now. What exactly does investing mean for us? Think of it like planting a tiny little money seed. Captain Cashier, reporting for duty. Ever wonder how some people seem to have a secret superpower when it comes to money? How they build these amazing piles of wealth? Well, today, we're going on an awesome adventure with my trusty sidekick, Penny the Planner. Can you show them how this works in real life? To discover why starting to invest as soon as possible is your ultimate money superpower. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill. It gets bigger and bigger the longer it rolls. The 10% is calculated on your new total of $110. So, you earn $11. Now you have $121. Get ready to plant your money seeds and watch them grow into a mighty money forest. It's the sunshine that makes your money seeds grow into gigantic money trees. He thinks, I'll start investing when I'm older. Maybe when I'm 30. And let's say they both invest just $50 every month. Tammy, on the other hand, says, I'm going to start now, even with a small amount, right when I'm 10 years old. Her $50 a month, thanks to compound interest and all that time, could grow to an amazing $2.5 million. Sounds fancy. It's because her money had more time to make those money babies through compound interest. But it's super simple. Imagine your money seed grows a little bit. Then, the original seed plus that little bit it grew both start earning even more money. It's like your money is having little money babies, and then those money babies have money babies too. So, when you plant a regular seed, the sooner you start, the more your money can grow. It needs sunshine. The earlier you plant your money seeds, the more time they have to soak up that financial sunshine and grow. Water and time to grow, Captain. That $100 grows differently. Let's imagine it earns 10% each year. Let's say you have just $100. If you put it in a special savings jar that earns you $10 every year, that's great, right? After 1 year, you have $110. After 2 years, $120, right? Well, your money seeds are similar. When you invest, you're putting your money into special places where it can earn more money all by itself. This extra money is like sunshine and water for your money seed. And here's where the real magic happens, something grown-ups call compound interest. Penny, you bet, but with investing and our friend compound interest, year 1, $100 grows by 10%. So, you have $110, just like the jar. Year 2, now, year 3, the 10% is calculated on $121, you earn $12.10. Now you have $133.10. The money itself starts earning money, and then that money starts earning money too. That's our first big takeaway. Heroes, compound interest makes your money work for you. And it's truly magical. Now, if compound interest is the magic, then time is your ultimate superpower ingredient. Let's meet Timmy and Tammy. They're both super smart kids. Timmy decides to wait. Let us imagine they both want to have a big pile of money by the time they reach 60, ready for their awesome retirement adventures. Tammy starts at age 10. She invests for 50 years. Timmy starts at age 30. He only invests for 30 years. Whoa, did you see that difference? Tammy invested for 20 more years, and her money grew way more than double what Timmy's did. This is why starting early, even with a tiny amount, is so powerful. So, remember this, heroes. Time is not just money. Time is your money multiplier. Okay, you're probably thinking, this sounds amazing. But how do I actually start planting these money seeds? Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Here are a few simple ways you can begin your investing adventure. Talk to a trusted adult. This is super important. Chat with your parents, guardians, or another trusted adult about what you've learned. They can help you understand more and find the best ways for you to start investing. Savings accounts that pay interest. Some bank accounts, especially for kids, can pay you a tiny bit of extra money just for keeping your money there. It's like a super tiny, super safe money seed. They make it fun and easy to put your money into real investments, like small pieces of big companies. You don't need a lot of money to begin. Even just a few dollars regularly can make a huge difference over time. Thanks to our old friend, compound interest. They think they need a huge pile of money to start, or that it's too complicated. But we've learned that's just not true. Every day you wait is a day your money seeds aren't growing and making more money babies. This is a great starting point to see how money can grow. Timmy fell into the trap of later land, and his money tree just couldn't catch up to Tammy's mighty money forest because it didn't have enough time. Instead of spending every dollar right away, save a portion. That saved money can become your investing money. Ready to be planted? Explore kid-friendly investment apps, platforms, with a trusted adult's help. There are special apps and websites designed to help kids and teens learn about investing in a safe way. Starting early, even with a little, makes a huge difference. Remember, always do this with a grown-up's help. They are your financial co-pilots. It's a place where people keep saying, "I'll start investing later. Next year, when I have more money, You're not just saving money. You're becoming a wealth-building superhero. Save your loose change and allowance. Every little bit adds up. The main thing is to start small and start now. Tell us in the comments below. Until next time, keep growing those money trees. Captain Cash, signing off. Now, there's a sneaky villain we need to watch out for called Later Land. The biggest mistake people make is simply waiting. Remember Timmy and Tammy. So, the comparison is clear. Starting early is the right way to maximize your money growth, while waiting is the wrong way that costs you big opportunities. Don't let Later Land steal your money superpower. Take action today, even a small step. Wow, what an adventure we've had. Future money masters. Let's recap our super important takeaways. Money seeds and compound interest. Your money can grow by itself, earning more money, which then earns even more money. That's compound interest. Time is your money superpower. The absolute best way to make your money grow big is to give it lots and lots of time. Start now, even small. Don't wait. Talk to a trusted adult and find ways to plant your first money seeds today. And remember our single, most important message: start investing as soon as possible because time is your biggest helper in growing your money. You have the power to build an amazing financial future. If you learned something awesome today and are ready to unleash your money superpower, smash that like button. And to join our squad of financial adventurers and never miss out on more easy to understand money secrets, hit subscribe and ring that notification bell. We want to hear from you. What's one thing you're going to do this week to start planting your money seeds? Share this video with a friend who needs their own money superpower.